Be blessed by the divine. How meditation training alters altruism and neural responses to suffering. Altruism or selflessness is the principle or practice of concern for the welfare of others. It is a traditional virtue in many cultures and a core aspect of various religious traditions and secular worldviews, though the concept of others toward whom concern should be directed can vary according to cultures and religions. Compassion is a key motivator of altruistic behavior, but little is known about individuals' capacity to cultivate compassion through meditation. Scientists examined whether compassion may be systematically trained by testing whether short-term compassion training increases altruistic behavior. Individual differences in altruism are associated with training-induced changes in neural responses to suffering. In healthy adults, scientists found that compassion training increased altruistic redistribution of funds to a victim encountered outside of the training context. Increased altruistic behavior after meditation training was associated with altered activation in brain regions implicated in social cognition and emotional regulation, including the inferior parietal cortex and dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, and in DLPFC connectivity with the nucleus accumbens. These results suggest that compassion can be cultivated with training and that greater altruistic behavior may emerge from increased engagement of neural systems implicated in understanding the suffering of other people, executive and emotional control, and reward processing. Be blessed by the divine.